Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Living Life with Leticia. Well, today we are going to be making a Christmas cake. This cake has been asked for years and years and years. And so since we are here and we're getting ready for the holidays, I decided I would go ahead and put this on my YouTube channel so everyone can see this and you could practice this recipe on your own and make this Christmas cake. So first of all, we're gonna come with some of our ingredients. We have brown sugar, we have white sugar, we have nuts, we have fruit, our lemons. You're gonna need your mixer, so make sure you get that out. Sugar and eggs. We have our tequila all poured up here. This is Swaza tequila. Then we have a cup of water. All right, so first of all, we're gonna start with our ingredients. 1 cup of sugar, teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and sample the tequila and make sure that it is on point because it's been in the cabinet for a long time and I want to make sure that, you know, it's up to standard. So let me just get a bit of that in my cup here and we will go from there. Hold on. All right, so let me test this tequila, make sure it's good to go. It's pretty cool. It's good quality, I can tell. There we go. Tequila on point. Take this large bowl. We got all of our ingredients, well, most of our ingredients in there. We're gonna take this lemon, we're gonna turn it, what we're gonna do with the lemon. Take this lemon, we're gonna slice it in half because I don't have any dried fruit, so I'm gonna use my, I have some apples that I have cut, and then I also have some bananas so I'm putting those in as well. So we're gonna put in our dried fruit, we're gonna put in our cup of nuts, but then we gotta check one more time for the tequila because we know it sits around for a bit and it loses potency. Potent! It's not potent no more. It don't have to kick when it sits there for a while. So I'm just testing this out just to make sure that you have a quality cake when you get ready to take it out the oven. Its toxicity is 100 proof. All right, so now let's turn on this mixer thing because I know that we're gonna need to mix some stuff up in here. Where's the things? Where's the things that go in there? All right, we'll turn the mixer thing off because we don't have the things that go in there. And if we do, we can't find them, so don't worry about it. Just put the mixer in the bowl. Put it all in the bowl. Sit it in there. Just don't worry about it. It's gonna be okay. Put it in right there by the bowl. Just the mixer, and then the mixer is gonna mix everything by itself. So then we're gonna repeat everything. We're gonna test the tequila out one more time so we can get that in there. Tequila's doing good. Tequila's probably the best thing that we got over here on this thing. So the best ingredients over here because I don't know what to do. But anyway, we're gonna pour the stuff in there. We're gonna put this in there and all in everything. Now, get your dried fruit. Get your dried fruit out wherever your dried fruit is gonna be. Hold on. Now, pick your dried fruit up off the floor because I dropped mine. Okay, if you did that, then it's good. Okay, so now we're gonna beat the 2 eggs. We're gonna break 2 eggs and beat them. Where's the eggs at? Ain't nobody got no eggs up in here. Okay, then we're gonna take the dried fruit and put it back in there. And then we're gonna take we gotta sift 2 cups of salt or something like that. I don't know, it's some salt or sauce. We're gonna sift the salts and we're gonna put them in there. And we're gonna put this, we got the sugar, the nuts, the fruit, We got the lemons. Hold on. We ain't got no tequila. Somebody done been drinking the tequila that I was gonna make this cake with. Where's the... Anyway, turn the oven on to 360 degrees and try not to fall over when you're doing it. I mean, just do it. My oven's over there, but you can't use my oven. Now, you're going to add 1 table. Put that in there or something like that, and then grease the oven. When you grease the oven, make sure that you're greasing it all up and, you know, it's all good. Now, we're going to add a push of sugar. We're going to add sugar. The sugar is going to be added, but when we add the sugar, we're not going to tell nobody because it's a sugar-free cake. You sure got to test that tequila. Make sure that it's okay, and I think it's #1 grade A. After a while, we ain't going to worry about it. Finally, we're going to throw everything together. We're going to toss it out the window. We're going to put it in the cake, and we're going to bake it, and it's going to come out just like the Christmas cake of all years before. If you've had my Christmas cake before, you're lucky because I'll hardly ever get a chance to finish making it. By the time I get through, all I need is a nap. And the theater is still hitting. I mean, that theater. That Alita. That tequila. Alika. This is some good Alika. Tequila. Tequila. What's the name of it? This is what's some good tequila. Bye. Y'all have a blessed day. Deuces. Bye. Bottoms up.